I got a Copycat recipe, and this is for Starbucks Mocha Frappuccino. I'm excited. So first of all, we have to make the whipped cream topping. And for that, I'm going to use the immersion blender. This little baby is one of my favorite friends in the kitchen. I absolutely love it. So to make homemade whipped cream, you're just going to pour in a cup of heavy whipping cream and then just a tablespoon of powdered sugar. You're going to see how fast this is. Now you can flavor it if you want. You can put spices in there if you want to put pumpkin pie spice. But wait till you see how fast you can make whipped cream. You will never buy packaged again. This is how easy it goes. Can you see? I'm hoping you can. It literally whips up in seconds, not even minutes. And it usually doubles the batch. All right, I'm watching my coffee. I'm watching my whipped cream. There it goes. Can you see that it's getting nice and thick already? It doesn't take long. The kids love to do this too. It's a really fun one for them to do. So here's my whipped cream. This is going to be my foam. It's done. Can you see? Whipped cream, done. All right, so that's number one. Let's get this all worked up, and then we're going to make the, what is it? Mocha Frappuccino. I know when you go to Starbucks, it's very expensive. People always are complaining about how much it costs. So if we can get you to make it at home, right? All right, now I'm going to pull out the Big Daddy because we're going to put this in the big blender. And let me tell you what the recipe is, and I will share it with you. So this recipe, we do need some of the coffee, so we're going to have to grab some of that. We're going to put in, for milk, we have, let's see, 1 cup of milk goes in the big blender. Alrighty, let's see, 3 tablespoons of sugar. I only put in 2 tablespoons. I don't think you need all 3. 3 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. Oh, sorry about that. All right, here we go. I'm just going to measure this on the slide. 1, 2, 3. All right, now we need our coffee. And then we're going to put in some ice cream. So it's 3/4 of a cup of your coffee. And if you like it extra strong, you can double brew it or you can do espresso. 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of chocolate syrup, 10 to 15 ice cubes. And then we are just going to brew it up. So let me just look at my directions real quick to make sure I do it right. Yep, I'm going to stop it with a brew function. Hang on, here I come. Woo. I have so many cords around my table up here, I'm afraid. So I just push the brew and then it'll stop it. All right, are you done? Just give me a second. Oh, it's still doing it. All right. It was almost done anyhow. I did it a little bit too soon. You ready? All right, and now I'm just going to pour a cup because I need this for my recipe. And now I'm going to put it back, hit brew again, and it'll finish. Okay. So now here's my coffee. Pour this in. And then ice cubes. This is about 10 to 15 ice cubes. Now we're going to put this on the smoothie function for 10 to 15 seconds. So there's little buttons down here. Oh, that's not what I wanted. And you push it in for smoothie. And it automatically does. Now we have our Starbucks Mocha Frappuccino. Smells delicious. We're going to pour it in our mug. All right. We have to put some of our whipped cream on top. Whoop, that went right down. I think I was supposed to froth it. There you go. And then we're going to drizzle it with a little bit of chocolate syrup. Woo. You can also, if you want, actually take the chocolate syrup and pour it around the glass and then put it in the freezer for a couple minutes and it'll freeze up really nice. So I'm not a coffee drinker, but I'm still going to try this one. Oh, I feel like I have a milk mustache. Ooh. Now see, I'm not a big coffee drinker, but I would totally drink this. Mocha Frappuccino. Yum. Ooh, I like that one. All right, I have more recipes for you. I'm going to do a pumpkin pie spice one. And what's the one everybody does? Oh, the pumpkin spice latte. I have